Hello and welcome to our online demo of QCloud's new and mobile optimized customer self-service portal. As you may already know, QCloud or QomiCloud is an enterprise-grade cloud service for Pakistan region that has been creating some exciting waves across SMEs and large enterprises throughout Pakistan. And now, with the launch of its new customer engagement platform that we are just about to show in a very short while, it's easier than ever for the customers to provision, deprovision, and manage resources by themselves. The first look at the customer's interface shows us a right side dashboard having a summarized information on the customer's billing and consumption details. While on the left side, we have a menu which is categorized into three major components. The first component is for provisioning and management of the resources, which is further categorized into compute, storage, networking, load balancer, and security related functionalities. While the second major component is for the identity and access management of the customer's organization. The third and last menu is for the billing and usage information. Let's now quickly jump to each of these three components and their associated functionalities. The first menu under provisioning and management is compute, and we can see that there are three types of resources available under it which you can create and provision. The first one is a virtual instance. Under the virtual instance, you can see that we have already one existing virtual instance created, so I can go into its detail where you will see a complete set of functionalities related to the virtual instance itself, like the summary, the volumes that you can attach, the security groups that you can attach, networks, and a VNC console. If I go back, you can also have the complete wizard which will guide you through the process of creation of the virtual instance. The first thing to do is to select the contract under which you want to provision this virtual instance, and then you can select the billing mode. You will see the complete details on the unit prices of the resources that you're about to provision, plus the complete accumulated price. Key pairs can be provisioned and attached to the virtual instance. You can also make server groups by assigning virtual instances into different set of groups that you have provisioned. The second option is if I may go through the storage option. You can see that elastic volumes are there, so you can create additional volumes and attach it to the existing virtual instances. You can take the snapshots. Another important thing to mention here is the object storage functionality, which gives you a very cost-effective storage capability to archive your data and move your backup resources into our storage. So it is far more affordable as compared to the rest of the storages that we are providing, which includes the SSD and the HDD storages. So you can just simply click on create and then provision a storage bucket and make it public or private. Let's move ahead to the networking section. Under the networking, you can see that there is a network functionality available. If I click on a network, you will see that you can basically create ports and subnets. And then you can also go and provision the routers. You have the option to create security groups as well. And here you can see that I have a security group already created for the virtual instance that we provisioned. And under this security group, you can basically add different types of rules. The same goes for the load balancer. You can provision load balancers. Under the security, you can use the KMS service as well. The next component is the identity and the access management. Under it, you as the customer can create additional staff member accounts, and those staff members can have their own user credentials. So here, if I click on create, you can basically provide the information on the user account that you want to create for your organization. Plus, you can also edit your own profile and the organization's details by using the profile functionality. And you can also reset your own password. Another important functionality is the capability to look into the plans and the resources that you have. If I click here and look at the contract that I have, I can basically view all types of resources that are included under my contract. their quantity, remaining quantity, and the unit prices. The last menu is for the customer invoices and usage and billing report. So basically, you as customer can basically view your own monthly invoices and export them whenever you require. Additionally, you can also view the breakdown of that invoice in the form of a usage report, which will give you the details on how exactly and how many hours of a particular resource you have utilized, plus a billing report that will contain the complete details on the billing information for the resources that you have consumed. I hope this session would have given you a better insight in the feature set of QCloud's new interface. For any queries, you can simply contact us using the below given information. Thank you very much and have a nice day ahead.